Welcome to the second lecture on PGP. Hello everyone. I am Madhav Majwalia, an assistant professor at Department of IT at Charotar University of Science and Technology. Let me explain one scenario of PGP with an example. Let me consider that sender and receiver both generate their pair of keys, that means public and private keys, using the RSA algorithm. As per the public key cryptography, public keys of sender and receiver should be known to each other. This is the sender side process diagram. First, sender writes an email which is targeted to receiver. Email is provided as an input to the SHA-512 algorithm to get the hash of it. This hash is digitally signed by using public key encryption algorithm RSA. That means the hash is encrypted by the private key of sender. The input to RSA are private key of sender and the hash. The output from RSA is encrypted hash. We can say digitally signed hash or digest. Now, encrypted hash is prepended to email. Email and encrypted hash act as input to the zip compression algorithm to get the compressed email and compressed encrypted hash. The output of the compression is now encrypted using the IDEA private encryption algorithm. For this, we will first generate the secret key for IDEA. This key and the output of compression step will act as input to the DES encryption algorithm, which will provide us an encrypted output. Since email is encrypted using secret key, it also has to be sent to receiver. We will encrypt the secret key with the public key of receiver. We will use RSA for this, and the inputs to it will be the public key of receiver and secret key. The outputs of public encryption and private encryptions are now appended and sent as the final message to receiver. This is the receiver side process diagram. Receiver will first decrypt the secret key of IDEA with his private key. The inputs to the public decryption RS algorithm will be private key of receiver and compressed encrypted secret key. The output from RSA will give the decrypted plain secret key. This secret key will now act as one of the input to private decryption IDEA algorithm for decryption of email and digitally signed hash. These two will also act as the input to private decryption IDEA algorithm. The output of this step will be decrypted version of email and digitally signed hash. The output of this whole decryption process should be provided as input to the zip algorithm for decompression. From the output of the decompression, we will get the digitally signed hash and the original email. Now we will verify whether the hash was signed by original sender, and for that we will calculate and generate the hash of the original email by using SHA-512. We will also decrypt the digitally signed hash with the public key of sender by using public decryption RSA algorithm. Inputs to RSA algorithm are digitally signed hash and public key of sender, and output from RSA is decrypted hash. Compare the decrypted hash and generated hash. If they turn out to be the same, then authentication is achieved, which means that the message was definitely sent by original sender. This is called digital signature verification process. You can find Java code for PGP simulation at given link. You can also refer some material for more study. This is the end of second lecture.